If you're like me, you have been searching for years for the perfect skincare products. I bounce around. I look for serums and creams, anything that's gonna make my skin look younger. We all know I'm not 20. And help with all of those beautiful anti-aging things that we look for in a skin cream or a serum. And I have landed on the perfect product. This is Bluelene. It contains Methylene Blue. And the coolest thing about Methylene Blue is it encourages collagen and elastin production, and it feels great. I love this Serum Plus. I use it every day under my day creams. It's really perfect for that. It's light and absorbs rapidly. I love in particular their eye cream. It absolutely helps soften and lighten those dark circles that we all get under our eyes and keeps it plump, smooth all day. I love these products. They feel like silk, they go on light, they absorb well. You don't feel like you've got that real thick layer of stuff on. I love them, and I think you're gonna love them.